Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Android. In this tutorial I will tell you about how to make a phone call using your Android application from your Android application, and for this I will use implicit intent. So for this open your Android Studio and create a new application. Now go to your launcher activity layout file. In this layout file I am creating a button. So create a button. Why I am creating this button? This will be, when user click on this button, I will set an on-click listener on it, and when user click on this button, phone dialer will open with a number that you will provide in the intent. So for creating a button, the two mandatory attributes are layout underscore width and layout underscore height. So I am giving layout underscore width wrap content and the height wrap content. Now set the ID of this button. By this ID I will communicate this button and set an on-click listener on it from the activity class. So I am giving action underscore call and then set the string on it, text on it, which is the caption of this button. So string / make underscore call. Now you need to add this make underscore call in your string resource file, which is available inside the values folder. Now go to that strings.xml and add a string with the name make underscore call and give the value. I am giving click here to make a call. Okay, now again go to your button and see the design part. As you can see that the button is visible with the caption click here to make a call. Now we will set a click listener on this. So for this, go to your activity which holds this layout. So I am going to that activity, main activity, and initialize a button and call and set the assign the ID to this button. So r.id. action underscore call. Now you need to typecast this button. So I am typecasting with the button. Okay. Now our next step is to set a click listener on it. So I am setting click listener anonymously. You can also set a click listener by implements a on click listener interface and override its on click method. New on click. Now call implicit intent with phone number to make a call. Now for this, create an object of intent and pass the action. For making a call, the action that you need to pass is intent dot action call. And then you need to pass the number in the URI. So for this, call intent dot set data. Here you have to pass a URI dot pass. So for making a phone call, the very first thing is to set the action. So that here the action is intent dot action call that you just pass in in your intent constructor, and the second is to pass a telephone number. So I'm passing a telephone number in the URI in the set data. So you need to add TEL colon with the number. So for in this example I am taking 9897 123456, a number that in which I am making a call. So you can also take an input of this number from the user by creating an edit text. So now start activity with this intent, all intent. Okay. Now if I will run this application now, it will give an error because we need to take a permission of making a call. So for this, go to your manifest file and add permission call phone. Uses permission call phone. Yeah. Now run this application. Yeah. Select the emulator. Okay. Now click on the button. When I click on this button, a phone dialer will open that is making a call to a number that I just provided in the intent. Intermeter is slow. When you run this application in your device, it will run perfectly. So as you can see, the call is started with the number 9897123456. So for now I'm dropping this call. So this is just this is example of this tutorial tells this is example of how to make a call using from your Android application using implicit intent. I hope you like this tutorial. Have a nice day.